Warning, if you're not 18 years old, get the off this video. Everything you see is for educational and documentary purposes only. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, what's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in to Farms. We got some more mail today. We ended up getting, this is another light from GrowStar. The battery. Alright. Open it up, and I think you gotta put it together.
You want to bring it clear?
Huh? Alright, yeah, so looking at it, yeah, I'm assuming I gotta put it together, or if this is the whole thing, or it's, I think it's folded in half. So I'll take it out. Yeah, this likes to be having some damn weight. Alright, so this is the model, I think it's like the 3000. I'm not sure the exact model name, but I'll look that up later when I'm going over the specifications of it. Oh yeah, so it folds. That's dope. This is the bar style. Like, I've always wanted one of these, to be honest. Like, since the first time I saw them, I thought these shits were dope as hell. But yeah. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get it set up. I'm not actually gonna be throwing this into a tent, but I will set it up just to look at the light and whatnot. All right, here we are in the about 4 foot tent. Currently, we only had one plant in here, so we were running just a 100 watt Vivosun TS-1000 Grow Light, and it worked for that one plant. But now with this new light, we'll be able to actually cover, have the full coverage area, or most of the coverage area in here, and run more plants in here. But one thing I want to do is with this light, I actually want to do a giveaway. I've only used it for less than a year for sure, so it's nowhere near the lifespan. But if you're interested in this giveaway, make sure you leave a comment down below. And stay tuned for the end of the video when I actually go over just how to win this light. But without further ado, I'm going to take this one out, and I'm going to go ahead and get the new light up in here. This is the MN-W3000 model LED Grow Light by GrowStar. It's a bar style light that's foldable, so it makes it easy for it to be moved and stored. The dimensions of it are about 2 feet by 2 feet with the coverage area of 3 feet by 3 feet. The light does only have one driver connecting both sides with a power output of 300 watts. It has an on and off switch, and it is dimmable, so it'll help you save power and fulfill the needs of your plant at different life stages. It features Samsung diodes with 660 nanometers of red light, 5000 Kelvin blue white light, 3000 Kelvin warm white light, and 740 nanometers of infrared light. It also has the ability to be daisy chained up to 20 lights, so this will come in handy if someone was trying to run multiple lights within a grow room. But that's it for this light. Huge shout out to GrowStar, and I can't wait to use it in an upcoming grow. And now it's time to get into the light giveaway with this Vivosun TS-1000 light. To be entered into the giveaway, you just need to do 3 things. For 1, like this video. 2, if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. 3, comment anything. Keep in mind when commenting, the comments don't always show up for me, so if I don't heart it within a day or 2, be sure to go ahead and comment again. The winner will be picked around New Year's. The light was used on 2 grows previously, so it's still got plenty of life left in it. I know it's nothing too crazy, but at the same time, I want to continue upping these giveaways. Another seed giveaway will be coming soon. That'll be it for this video, and thank you guys for all your support.